In this video, I want to share you guys my goal for 2021, and I'll share you guys some tips about achieving your goals. By the way, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Kim. Consider joining our growing YouTube family by clicking on that red subscribe button, and go ahead and smash that like button for me if you don't mind. It really help out my channel. Make sure you turn on that bell notification as well, so that way you get notified right away when I make a new video. Webull, currently they have a promotion until January 15th. If you sign up with my referral link and you deposit $100 to their trading platform, you can actually get up to 4 free stocks worth anywhere between, I believe, $21 up to $3,200. And as an affiliate of Webull, I also get a free stock as well if you use my referral link. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So now I want to share you guys my goals for 2021. As far as YouTube, currently I have roughly about 2,800 subscribers. So far, since I am monetized on YouTube, I made roughly about $314. That's as of December 31st, 2020. So my goal is to at least get to 25,000 with YouTube. And by the end of 2021, I hope to work hard and achieve at least 50,000 subscribers. I know that's a lofty goal. I'm gonna set a goal, might as well set it big, and that way I have to work hard for it. So to do that, my plan is to make 3 consistent video uploads per week. And currently I have roughly about 95,000 views since I uploaded my video, and I have about 46 video uploaded so far. 95 divided by 46, that's roughly about 2,000 views on average for my video, and I'm looking to increase that from 2,000 views on average to 20,000 views. And if I reach 50,000 subscribers, I don't think that's hard to achieve. Yeah, that will require a lot of work. So my goal is to, be consistent with my uploads and do 3 videos every single week, maybe more, but I think minimum is 3 videos. I don't want to get too burnt out because I still have my 9-to-5 job, and hopefully in a couple years from now, we'll see how that goes. So far, still planning to do YouTube part-time and just pump out videos and share my research with you guys, stocks that I like, stock that I am interested in, do more research and pump out more videos for you guys. That way you guys can benefit. At the same time, I can also earn income from YouTube as well. And if I do that, my YouTube income alone, because I'm still part-time at YouTube, if I do that, I should get to at least about 25,000 annually from YouTube. And most of that money, most likely, I'm going to invest back and maybe upgrade my equipment, or I might just use a majority of that money to invest, because I already have other income, so that way I can reach my financial independence sooner. Outside of YouTube, my goal by the end of 2021 is to have $100,000 portfolio. Currently I am about 33,000, and by the end of 2021 I'm looking to at least save $50,000 of my income and invest that. So on top of the 50,000 that I'm planning to save and invest, plus the 33,000 that I have right now, that's already about 83,000. So 100,000 I think is very doable. Hopefully I can pass that, but we'll see, depending on the market condition. But worst case, I want to have at least $100,000 saved and invested, so that way I can have a 6-figure portfolio. Some of you guys might be wondering, Kim, how can you save $50,000? Well, between me and my wife, we live here in the Bay Area, and we both work in tech companies, as well as I have side hustle. I have YouTube income now. I've done some trading, and just over the last 3 months, I don't want to brag, but I made roughly about $12,000 from trading on Robinhood and whatnot. And on top of that, I have my life and health license. I can help people with life insurance, retirement planning, helping people with 401k rollovers. So between all of that income, we were able to save roughly about $20-something thousand. We used most of our saving to pay off a lot of our debt. Plus we helped out our parents. So in 2020, we actually paid off our car. We took care of my student loan debt. also my credit card debt, as well as helping my family overseas. And my mother-in-law, she had cancer, so we helped her out as well. Since my mother-in-law is not able to work, my wife and I are able to retire her by sending her money every month to help out. Also, I've sent some money overseas to my family in Cambodia. We could have saved easily $50,000 last year, but we took care of our debt, help our family. So this year, easily, I think worst case, we can save at least $50,000. And now that I have YouTube income on top of my 3 other sources of income, I think I can easily save $50,000. Now I want to share you guys my tips, how I'm able to achieve my goal in 2019. Of course, we didn't reach all of our goals. We reached some of our goals. But most importantly, we actually had a plan. First things first is to type out and write out what your goals are and be specific. The next thing is to print it out so that way you can see it visually. You should post it multiple places in your house. That way you are reminded about your goals, and whether it is finance, whether it is investment, whether it is fitness, you should have a goal and you should type it out. And another tip is to chunk your goal. So I like to do it monthly. So whatever my goal is, let's just say my goal is $50,000 in saving. Between me and my wife, our goal is to save at least $4,166 per month. So no matter what, that's what we're going to set aside. And whatever your goal is, for example, if it is your health, maybe you want to drop, 12 pounds or 24 pounds, just divide that by 12. Let's just say you want to lose 12 pounds, right? 12 divided by 12, because that's 12 months. So just lose 1 pound a month. So I think that's easier rather than, not have a plan and not have everything divided out. I think that's easier. Again, this is what worked for me, and I have visual printout of my goals, and I chunk it down month by month. Some of you guys, you can do it quarter by quarter, but this is what works for me. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please remember to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's grow together. Let's make a lot of money in 2021. But most importantly, of course, take care of your health. Let's have a great 2021. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video.